Our practice question iri kuti, using the matrices A and B of example 1, show that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Then we are told kuti A ndiani uye kuti B ndiani. Saka before we go anyway, if you haven't subscribed, may you please consider doing so. We have been told panapa kuti A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 2. Tikaudzwa futi kuti B is equal to 3, 1, 4, minus 1, 3, 2, then 2, 1, minus 1. Saka we want to prove that A minus B is equal to B minus A. We are called to task panapa on something which is fundamentally important. We already know that 3 minus 4 is not the same as 4 minus 3. So we want to see if the same law is upheld even when we are dealing with matrices. But the first thing we have to do is to check if those two matrices are of the same order. They are both square matrices. They are both 3 by 3 matrices. Saka, that's okay there. Now let us do our subtraction. Firstly, we have to consider A minus B. We know that A is 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 2. This is A. Subtracting for B Indian 3, 1, 4, minus 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, minus 1. Like that. So let us now go on. Corresponding positions. 2 are panapa minus 3. Then we have 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4. Then pakati 3 minus 1. Minus yekutanga nde E minus yechipiri nde iyo yakaita chiname na 1. Then tawatati 2 minus 3 toto 1 minus 2. Tozoti 0 minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. And take note of my brackets vandiri kuisa izvi. Take note of them. It's very important. So now this is equal to chi. 2 minus 3, that's minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 minus minus 1 is vakafanana nekuti 3 plus 1, which is 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 1, 0. And minus 2 minus minus 1 is the same as saying minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1. This is the answer we are getting. But we still have to consider kuti ko B minus A inenge yakamira sei. So when we consider B minus A, knowing kuti B ndi 3, 1, 4, minus 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, minus 1. This is subtracting. What is A? Saka A ndi 2, 4, 3. Then pakati pana 3, 2, 1. Then kumcheto kuna 0, 1, minus 2. So let us deal with this. Tono tusotishitsepi. Correspondence. 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4, 4 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 0, 1 minus 1, and minus 1 minus 2. Like this. What is this equal to? 3 minus 2 ndi 1. Then 1 minus 4 ndi minus 3. 4 minus 3 ndi 1. Minus 1 minus 3 ndi minus 4. 3 minus 2 ndi 1. 2 minus 1 ndi 1. 2 minus 0 ndi 2. 1 minus 1 ndi 0. Minus 1 minus minus 2 ndi minus 1 plus 2, which is 1. Like this. Let us compare our answers. panapa it's minus 1 apa ndi1 zvatosiyana. 3 minus 3 minus 1 1, 4 minus 4 minus 1 1, minus 1 1, minus 2 2 0 0, minus 1 1. And I think you have to notice kuti numbers tisingatarisi arithmetic signs akafanana, chasiyana signs, like they are polar opposites. They are like north and south, because minus 1 pari negative panapa corresponding 1 are positive, 3 are positive, we have minus 3 kunoko, minus 1 we have 1 uko. And you can see it for everything except 0, because 0 does not have an associate arithmetic sign. We don't have a positive 0 and negative 0. 0 represents nothing, so we cannot have a negative nothing, neither a positive nothing. Nothing is just nothing. So that's a very important position there, which you are going to see pachiita scalar multiplication kuti chii chiri kuitika.